What motivated us to invest in Rwanda is that Rwanda is really trying to promote the local industry, to promote the made in Rwanda products as opposed to importing products. And we wanted to come up with a locally produced fuel.
So we do sell pellets, but also pellets goes with cook stove because our pellets need a special stove for it.
So when I was studying 10 years ago, I got very concerned about climate change and very passionate about ways to mitigate the effects. And that's why I found an opportunity, a sector that has many challenges and not enough solutions.
Iki gikoresho ni imbabura dutekaho.
And besides that, Rwanda is also easy for doing business. The rules and procedures are clear and the same for everyone. So it's the best place actually to start a new product or sector or industry and then replicate it elsewhere.
We use the waste material to produce pellets. We use sodas or branches from forest. So pellets, it's raw material we use for cooking.
Ubundi ikintu cya mbere banza kumenya no kumenya iyi moteri yabo iracaginga. Umenya niba ifite umuriro ubundi ukafita hari utuntu baduhaye dushyiramo palette.
The only way to get people at every level to become a part of the solution is if you make it attractive to them.
Noneho ugashyiramo palette, warangiza ugashyiramo agapetroli gake cyane. Ubundi ugashyira ukarasa, ubundi ugahita uzamura wa muntu ze akano kamoteri ubundi ugahita utangira kuyikoresha.
Some of the key benefits for the customer are, for example, that it's more affordable than charcoal, at least 30%.
Muri iminsi ibintu bijyanye na gazi byarahenze n'amakara nuko kandi bo palette zabo zagumye ku giciro gisanzwe uko twatangiranye igiciro kiracyari hahandi.
It's zero smoke and then it's easy to use, very clean. You can use it inside your house without any damage.
Nk'ubu nashyizeho amazi iminota 5 amazi urumva ko atangiye kubira. Ubwo no kubijyanye no kwizigamira harimo ikinyuranyo cy'amafaranga menshi gukoresha amakara.
So I got passionate about clean cooking because actually 2.8 billion people in the world still cook with dirty fuels and dirty stoves. And I thought there must be a better way to do this. And from a climate point of view, the emissions from dirty cooking is more than 2% of all global emissions. So it's a significant problem, and I want to play my part and try to find a way to reduce that.
People should think their future by saving an environment, because as you have seen in these days, things are changing. You found some area where it used to be covered by forests, it's clean, and then we need to get a solution for that. The solution is using clean energy.
So we're trying to create a situation where we benefit both the environment but also the economy and the pockets of people. So by having a more affordable cooking solution, we are confident that people will switch to our greener solution.
Nko ku kwezi sindenze 9,000 mu gihe ku makara nakoreshaga imifuka 2 ihwanye ni 20,000. Umva harimo difference 11.
Hi Ino.
Hi Jan.
How are you?
I'm good. What is BioMassters?
BioMassters is a company that offers modern, affordable, low-carbon cooking solutions. And where do we make it from?
We produce our pellets in Rwanda and Rwanda, and also we have a good shop in Nyamirambo for selling pellets.
So, BioMassters, clean cooking solution.